Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. This is our next project, Dodge Ram SRT10. I think it's like an 0304. Super clean truck, so we're gonna be doing a full audio system in this. We're gonna take this whole tray out of the back. The bolts have already been removed, so we're gonna take this all out so we can go ahead and do these rear speakers and run all of our wires up through here. All right, so we're attempting to remove these rear speakers. So we've taken this piece off right here so we can get to the bottom piece because they overlap each other. There's the clips on the back. Those are what those look like. You will first need to remove this big Torx out of the middle where the seat belt is right here. You'll want to take that out because if you can't, you won't be able to get it out. Now we're going to attempt to take this piece out. Okay, we've removed this panel, which you have to remove. All this unsnaps. It is not fun. Those are the worst ones to get to because those are hidden behind the other panel right there. So it is a pain in the butt, but then that gives us access to down here where we need for the speakers. So right here is where the speaker is at. We removed the rear speaker, just has 3 screws. Took that out, there's the plug. This last screw right here, there's one here, and then one here. This one's a butt, so you gotta push this back to get to it, but we're gonna go ahead and start wiring up all this to put new speakers in. All right, we got the DD 5 1/4s installed in the rear. Looking really nice. Can't wait to see what they sound like. We got the rear speakers installed on both sides. Okay, we're gonna take the door panels off. There's a screw here. There was supposed to be a screw here, but it's been taken out. There's actually inside of there's a 10mm down in here. It's very hard to see, but it's like right here. There's a 10mm right there. You gotta take that out, take this off. Down underneath here, you have a screw here, and then you have another screw right there. So those are pretty much everything that you need to remove on the door panels to be able to get it out. And this is where the 10mm is back there. That connects into here. You want to just basically take that off. I would recommend using a ratchet versus using, I tried my drill first and then I used a ratchet because it's on there so tight that it's super hard to get off without a ratchet. So there's where the 10mm is. We've also removed all the screws out of the door panel as well. Once you remove all the screws out of it, you just pull up and that will basically pull the whole door panel up and then it comes off. You're gonna have to unplug these two plugs right here, okay? Well, this particular unit didn't have any speakers in it, and they cut the harness off, so that kind of sucks, but we'll figure it out one way or another. Alright, we got this speaker installed. We ended up having to make a plastic trim ring to go around it because I've had problems with these in the past where they can ground out metal to metal without that plastic ring. It also doesn't fit in there right as a spacer. So we just went ahead and made one to duplicate the driver's side because this one did not have the spacer or a speaker harness. So we had to just kind of make that. So now we're going to do the driver's side. Alright, we got the driver's side on. We ended up using the factory adapter plate because it actually has it stock. The passenger side was missing the speaker and that. So everything's all mounted in there. These are the higher end Ddaudio 6x9s. Can't wait to hear what these things sound like. I've done hundreds of these trucks and they sound awesome. So can't wait to see what it sounds like. We went ahead and cleaned up all of our wiring, Tessa taped everything into here, made it all look really nice. That way it doesn't look like, you know, wires everywhere. Here's the adapter plates installed. Look a lot better when they're actually installed in. So here's the adapter plates finally installed in. Look like OEM. It's gonna sound really awesome with these DD-B1 tweeters. Here's the passenger one installed. Everything from the DD-B1 tweeters are installed into the front. They sound absolutely amazing.